The government has reduced the rate of the contribution under the Employees State Insurance ESI Act from 6.5% to what percentage? Answer is 4%, and this will be effective from the 1st of July. Employers' contribution has been reduced from 4.75% to 3.25%, while employers' contribution is reduced from 1.75% to 0.75%. ESI, the Employees State Insurance Act 1948, is administered by ESIC, Employees State Insurance Corporation. Who inaugurated the exhibition Astitva, the Essence of Prabhakar Barve in New Delhi? Answer is Prahlad Singh Patel. Prahlad Singh Patel is the Minister of State for Culture and Tourism. Coming to the static facts, Ravi Shankar Prasad is the Minister of Electronics and Technology, Communications and Law and Justice, while Amit Shah is the Union Minister of Home Affairs. Lee Chong-wei, who has announced his retirement, is related to which sports? He is a badminton player and he belongs to the country of Malaysia. Which country has topped in the annual report on internet trends by venture capitalist Mary Meeker? The answer is China. In the year 2018, the total internet users are 51% of the total population, while China have topped the list having 21% of the world's total internet users. It is followed by India and United States. Which day is observed on June 14th? World Blood Donor Day is observed on June 14th with the theme Blood Donation and Universal Access to Safe Blood Transfusion. Who has been appointed as the Director General of Bureau of Police Research and Development? Senior IPS Officer Navneet Rajan Vasan. Reserve Bank of India has slapped a fine of dash on S Bank and Zipcash card services for non-compliance with regulatory norms. Answer is 11.25 lakhs. Coming to the static facts, Ravneet Gill is appointed as the MD and CEO of S Bank, replacing Rana Kapoor. The Manduadi railway station is located in which state? It is located in Uttar Pradesh. Government is planning to rename the Manduadi railway station to Benares railway station. What is the rank of India in the Global Peace Index 2019? Answer is 141. Iceland tops the index and the Afghanistan is at the last. Third day of Youth Men's and Women's National Boxing Championship has been started in which state? It has started in the Rudrapur city of Uttarakhand and it is a 6-day tournament. Crack is preparing excellent mocks for all the competitive examinations. To attempt the mocks, please visit our website. And for more videos, please subscribe to our channel and press on bell icon to get daily notifications. Thank you.